Hi guys, this is our pre-Christmas shooting. From now on, the videos are all going to get very, very Christmassy indeed. I've got Bumble bed with me for this one, but no doubt it'll be coming. We're thinking of maybe having him in all through December to do the videos. You'll have to watch to find out what happens. Got loads planned for Christmas, guys. Loads planned. Today, little challenge Ben came up with, and I'm being kind to Ben actually because he did this little Sour Patch thing, and these are Sour Patch Kids, and they're sour sweets. Okay, little jelly sweets. Now, I've done 2 tubs, one for Ben and one for me. Mine has got about, I'd say about 10 more sweets in than his. But I don't care. We're going to have a race to see who can eat these without having a drink. Do you want to have a drink before we start, Ben?
No, I'm good.
Yeah, I'm really groggy at the moment, but we'll do it. So, guys, at this stage, I need to know what sort of things you'd like us to shoot in the new year. Leave comments down below. That's very important thing. Yeah, down below. Is it? No, shh, be quiet. Right, okay. No. Sorry, he's down below at the moment. So, that's what we're going to do. Okay. No, stop it. Order. No. Shh. You can come up in the new year. Okay. Right. What are you looking at? Right, okay, guys. Let's get on and do this. This is the Sour Patch Challenge, issued by Bumble Ben. Is he going to beat me or am I going to beat him? Don't start yet. We'll have a countdown. He does this all the time, okay? Whatever challenge we do, he tries to cheat. Watch out. I bet he cheats at the Christmas ones. I bet he even gets his mum to help him. You know, I bet he'll do that, you know. So let's go. Here we go, guys. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, the yellow ones. Oh.
I'm a velociraptor.
Oh,
What's up with you?
the yellow ones. I'll put the yellow ones all in at once.
Bogey flavour. Green. Just come up your nose and take it afterwards. I've got yellow ones down the bottom. The sugar's starting to get a bit, making it hard to swallow. Pardon me. If you watch me in other challenges, you know I burp a lot. Especially when I've had garlic oil.
One eternity later.
How are you getting down that quickly? Good. I'm struggling big time with these guys.
Is it the chewiness of them? Is it the sugar? Is it how sour they are?
It's not the sour, it's the sugar. Because it's too much sugar. It's making my teeth go squeaky. Not funny. It's a...
You can't win that. Throw one away.
Ah.
Get out! What? Get out!
I'll tell you what, I'm not giving in, I'm still going to try. Ah! There's still one in there. Ah, no. Ah! Curses! Well, guys, and would you believe I only lost by the extra amount I put in? I
And you
foiled
still put a few more into mine from his cup.
one. I only put one in there.
Yeah, and you threw one away.
Yeah. I threw two away. I'm still eating them because I'm not giving in.
Ready?
I still ate more than you.
You haven't? Look. Get out. They're mine. I had no lunch. Get out. The more you eat, the worse these
What's
get.
that over there?
Where?
No, that way.
Where?
No, behind you.
Where? Ah! I finished them at last. That's good. That's not good. Just call me Princess Leia. There, we've done that now. Think of some challenges, guys. Chuck them our way. We are gonna actually do the one chip challenge somewhere, aren't we? Somewhere along the line. We were thinking of doing that. But once we can get them and they're not a stupid price. But of course, if anyone does want to say, all right, you do it, we'll send you a chip. We'll accept that, won't we? we accept chips gratefully here. Guys, thank you for joining us today. As I said, Christmas is coming. Not just winter, Christmas. Christmas is coming. And we've got a little bit planned for you. We're going to have a New Year's Eve celebration as well. You can join us for that one.
Lots to look forward to.
Yeah, and yeah, don't look back, look forward to Bumble Land. And that's what we're going to do. So, until next time, we're going to slap that like, ring that bell, subscribe,
TikTok,
Facebook, Instagram,
the gram,
idiot.
Wally.
No. So until next time, Lolly, not Lolly.
Wally.
Kate again, she keeps doing this. Until next time, guys, be good, be safe. See
ya.
Bye. Ben!